Hi everyone, Dayna here, very excited to share with you the refresh of my New York City backyard. And I'm gonna share exactly how you can pick whatever you need off of Etsy to make your backyard into the oasis you've always dreamed of. One of the reasons why I love shopping on Etsy is because you can find any and everything that matches your personal style. Whether it's a vintage piece or a handmade piece, we have something just right for you. My favorite item from the entire backyard refresh is without a doubt this vintage set from Savage Cactus Company. It adds a pop of color, and it also comes with so many great stories from past families, and now myself and Mojo and the rest of my family can add our own special memories. But when you're outdoor entertaining, you still have to have somewhere to lay your cocktail. I'm loving this concrete table, adds another dose of color, and it's made of concrete, which means it's completely indestructible and the weather can't hurt it. So now I'm gonna grab my juice, grab my Mojo because he has a bed, but he likes snuggling with me right now. And we're gonna enjoy our backyard oasis. Earlier this spring, I found a new hobby that I love, and it's really starting to take form, my vertical garden, which I absolutely love. But let me tell you something, you're not a true gardener unless you have personalized tools from Rustic Craft Design. It just makes me feel even more official when I have these personalized gardening tools. And this is great for someone who doesn't have a huge space because everything is growing up. So I've got everything from carrots to dill to oregano to basil, all right here. As soon as I clip these, it's going straight into my kitchen to whip up something yummy or add it to a cocktail. Okay, so for those of you who don't have backyard access, that's okay. We can do the seal garden. Now, what I love particularly about this set here from Hortiki Plants is that it all comes in one set. So you get the biodegradable planter, you get the seeds, you get the soil, everything in one, and you could grow it right there from the seal of your window. Now, if you are a person who doesn't have a green thumb at all, that's okay too. You can celebrate nature through the love of illustrations. Now, I absolutely adore this print from Lovely Earthlings. She incorporates nature in many of her illustrations, and you can just have your love of greenery right there on your seal. I'm so happy that you hung out with me in my windowsill in my backyard for my refresh. You can find all of my picks below and even more that suit your personal taste at Etsy.com. Thanks for watching.